Afternoon guys, so I wanted to bring you to show you the new decking on the showground on our 2024 Victory Lakewood Lodge. Stunning thing. Bags of space, 42 feet by 14 feet. What I want to do is just take you inside very briefly and give you a quick tour. This is on the market at 119,000. Like I said, it's 42 foot by 14 foot. It really gives you all the space that you could possibly need. Let's take you in the van into the entrance lobby to start with. There we are. There's our entrance lobby, somewhere to put your shoes and coats and bags, etc. And we'll take you into the main body of the Caravan. Here we are. Look at the size of this thing. It's beautiful. Possibly my favourite of all the units that we sell. The Lakewood Lodge really typifies modern contemporary style. Look at the kitchen, it's a wonderful looking thing. There we are. It's got all the things that you would expect. Your washing machine. There we go, integrated microwave, cooker. Here is our dishwasher. Very clever use of space here for storage. There we go. And of course, integrated fridge and freezer. You look at that lounge again. Absolutely beautiful. Double doors at the front, onto the decking. Great use of space. Back into the lobby and into bedroom number 1, which is the first bedroom. A twin. These are full-size single beds, full width. They really have thought of everything in here, right down to the Bluetooth speakers fitted in the ceiling. We'll take you down through the van. There's our master bathroom. Beautiful, nice and modern, and that is why this is probably my favourite van, because it is so modern. And into the master bedroom. There we go. Plenty of space here. In the master bedroom, we have one sliding door, which is our walk-in wardrobe space. Literally walk-in wardrobe, and the master ensuite. Again, full bathroom, twin aspect shower, basin, and our toilet, of course. There's our vanity area. Great van, give me a call. I'm Simon, 07973 620 351. Give me a call about this or any of the vans that we have got here at Unity Beach in Brean Sands. 07973 620 351. Enjoy your Easter, guys.